just like wind in our sails.
3 hours later.
On tide, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore. I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. He kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. Now you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out
One eternity later.
and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note. got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to
A few moments later.
You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going
Happy Administrative Professionals Week. Better late than never.
Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the
Oh, how pretty. Thank you. I love that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Beautiful.
Cocobolo and ash. So the Cocobolo is a
Look how it's
real dark
so pretty.
Central American exotic hardwood. So
It's
yeah.
beautiful. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
I'm sorry it
I
took so
like the
long.
design. Did you pick it out on the
I did. Believe it or not, I found a design that I liked. That was kind of similar, and then I modified it. And I went, oh, it's done in boiled linseed oil, so it just that's all done. So there you go.
Thank you. I love
Good.
it.
So enjoy.